start. I'm best in the world in the arm wrestling.
Oh, no, you are not better than me.
No man, I'm better than everyone.
Let's
Hey guys,
come on.
let's see who's gonna win.
LB say go na na na, go na na na, go na na go na na na.
Remix.
Yesterday I seen you confused.
Yeah, you are confused about taking admission.
Hey buddy, how are you?
Hey guys.
Hey, how are you?
How are you? Fine.
Yeah, sure. Like yes, man. We are right here.
Oh, it's good.
So what you are doing?
Yeah, I am really confused about in which major I should take admission. So I am really confused.
Bro, I suggest you to take admission in physics because it's really good for you. It has a good score.
Okay, thank you, bro. What do you want to say about it, Rizwan?
Yes, much as my knowledge that I seen your mark sheet. There was your results in physics. It's too much high. I think I suggest you that you have to take admit physics department. Why not?
Yes,
It's
you
good
are
for you.
right.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Yes, you are right. Thank you, bro, for suggesting. I was really confused about
say
it.
that.
No, I am now I am clear about it. So I should take admission.
Okay, bro, see you.
Yeah, don't be worried about
Bye.
it.
See
Bye.
you. Bye. Hey, baby. Fine. What about you?
Baby, I promise you I will never leave you.
I know, baby.
I promise you that I will get you everything in your life.
Last time you promised that you will buy mobile for me, but you didn't.
Baby, there's your mobile. I got
Oh
it.
my
Hey,
God!
this is my phone. What the hell is going on here?
Lawyer, you lied to me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm
Oh,
very sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, are you Razak?
Yeah, I'm Rag.
Hey, nice to meet you, gentlemen. I seen you somewhere. Facebook.
Yeah.
You heard that nowadays you're the shining star of Facebook.
Thank you so much for
Let's give it up.
appreciating me.
Thank you, gentlemen. Rafiz.
Again, you are late in office. No, I can't hear your excuses because this is not the first time that you came late in office. I think you are not interested in your job. No, I don't listen. I'm not listening to your story. You are just fired. You can go your home. No, you are just fired. Go.
Please,
Go.
please.